Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P80 Ultra. In this video we'll check if MagSafe PowerPunk works with this smartphone. In order to check it, right here I've got the MagSafe PowerPunk. Simply place the smartphone on the power bank . And as you can see, the power bank is charging the smartphone. Unfortunately, this smartphone does not support magnetic charging, so the power bank will not be attached to the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.